As COVID-19 continues to take lives, everyone have only one question: when we will have vaccine for this virus. So in this video, we will discuss this question. If you have any another question, you can ask me in comment box. We will explore it together. First of all, let's see what is a vaccine. In simple words, a vaccine is an injection that stimulates body to kill antigens. But how a vaccine works? Working of a vaccine is not that complex. Like this is an injection which contain vaccines. In particular, vaccine contains some heat-killed or inactive viruses. So through injection, we inject this into human body. When this enters into human body gets stimulated and produces some immune cells. These immune cells can kill antigen in vaccine, and these cells learns to kill the antigens and remembers for future. So in future when antigen comes, they can easily kill these antigens. This is how vaccine works. But the biggest question is when we will have vaccine for COVID-19. So in India, we have some companies like Zydus, Candila and Serum Institute and Bharat Biotech. These are some companies which are working on COVID-19 vaccines. According to these companies, they can develop a vaccine for this virus within 12 to 18 months. But this is a long period, so ICMR has already working on some another drugs, like they are using BCG drugs, BCG vaccine to cure this disease, because BCG can act as a immunity booster. So this can be used to cure this disease. In other countries like UK and Germany, they have started the human trial of vaccine. In a report recently, WHO said they have developed a vaccine, and their two coronavirus vaccine candidate already have entered into human trial and 60 are in preclinical stage. This vaccine is developed by two institutes. One is Sensino Biology and other is Beijing Institute of Biotechnology. Sensino Biology already have developed Ebola vaccine in 2017. So it can be possible that CanSino can also develop a vaccine for COVID-19. But when we will have a solid cure for COVID-19, or when will we able to over this COVID-19 pandemic? This is the question which most people want to know. So this depends on which approach we take to fight this virus. If we take a technique called existing drugs, if we take this technique, then it will take almost 6 weeks to have a cure for this disease. In this technique, what we do is we can use some existing drugs like malaria drugs, Ebola drugs, or HIV drugs, and we will modify these drugs and insert into human body and see what it impacts on human body. If it is successful, then we can have cure in 6 weeks. Second technique is antibody based technique. In this technique, we can use plasma therapy, and second is we can engineer some antibodies. So problem with plasma therapy is we will have only limited antibodies, but engineered antibodies is alternative to plasma therapy, but in engineered antibodies we needs at least 6 months. We have third option, vaccine development. It will take 12 to 18 months. So a vaccine can be developed using RNA or using subunits of antigen. So this is a slowest process and will take 18 to 12 to 18 months, and some extra months can also be taken to administrate this vaccine globally. So COVID-19 will be here for long time. So you should be safe in your homes and try to fight this virus. Till then, please like, share, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this.